Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Rebecca. In this video, I'm going to show you how to solve paper 2 document production task, Cambridge IGCSE ICT exam. Okay, this is May-June 2023, variant 22. Okay, you have been supplied with the following source files. Okay, so check your folder to ensure that you have all of these files listed here. So let's check our folder. Okay, we have all the files listed in the question paper. Okay, task 1, evidence document. Open the file J2322 evidence.rtf. Okay, so let's open the file evidence. Okay, enable editing. Okay, so this is our evidence file. Make sure that your name, center number, and candidate number will appear on every page of this document. Save this document in your work area as evidence, okay, followed by your candidate number, for example, this. Okay, you will need your evidence document during the examination to place screenshots when required. Okay, so we are going to insert header in our evidence document so that we can have our candidate details. So make use of 3 columns. Okay, so you have your name, center number, and then your candidate number. Okay, and then save this file in your work area. Okay, save this in your work area as evidence, okay, with your center number. I'm sorry, candidate number. Okay, let's double check that to confirm. Okay, yes, with your candidate number, and then change the file format to the format of the software you're using, which is Word document, and then save. Okay, that's been done. Okay, task 2. You're going to edit a document about virtual cycling. The company uses a corporate house style for their documents. Paragraph styles must be created and applied as instructed. Using suitable software, open the file J2322 virtual. Okay, so we are going to open the file mentioned. Okay, this is the file. Enable editing. Okay, so this is the file we'll be working on. Okay, the page setup is set to A4 landscape orientation with 2.5 centimeter margins. Do not make any changes to these settings. 3 paragraph styles have already been created. Okay, so let's check that the page setup is A4 and the orientation is landscape. To check that, you can always go to layout, and the orientation, you can see that it's landscape. Okay, you can check the margins. Okay, you can see that it is 2.5 centimeter. Okay, so you can also check the styles that has been created. Okay, you just click on this part, and then you can see that we have 3 styles that has been created already. Okay, save the document in your work area with the file name vcycling. Okay, so we need to save it in with this file name, and make sure it is saved in the format of the software you are using. Place in your evidence document a screenshot to show this file has been saved. Make sure that there is evidence of the file type. Okay, so we're going to save the file, save as, and save in your work area. Okay, recycling, change the file format to Word document, and then save. Okay, so now we'll go to our folder. Okay, so this is the file. It has been saved, and you can see the file format. You can adjust this part so that the file format is fully visible. So we are going to take a screenshot as evidence, and then you just screenshot the file name and the file format, and then paste this in your evidence document as evidence 1. Okay, that's done. Okay, this part of the task has been completed. Place in the header of the recycling document the text reported by, followed by a space, and your name, center number, and candidate number, right aligned. Okay, so in the header of the document recycling, we are going to paste this. Okay, followed by candidate details. Okay, so click on insert, header. Okay, choose the three columns. Okay, remove this, and then you place this. Okay, followed by candidate name, center number, and candidate number. Okay, that has been done. Okay, make sure that all the alignments match the page margins. Okay, I think we skipped this. Okay, this has been done. So place in the footer automated page numbers right aligned. Okay, in the footer, automated page number says place in the header of the document the text reported by. Okay, I just want to be sure that this is also right aligned. Okay, so this is also right aligned, the footer. Okay, so click on insert. Okay, footer, choose the three columns. Okay, remove this, remove this. Okay, and for this one, just go to page number and then choose current position and then choose the first one. Okay, so we have automated page number right aligned on all pages. Okay, that's done. Okay, select the subheading benefits and the following text up to and including the paragraph ending being developed continuously. Okay, so we can easily find benefits since it's a subheading. Okay, but I'm going to copy this text so that I know where to stop. Okay, so this is the text benefit. So I'm going to make use of find, okay, to find the text. Okay, this is it. So I'm going to select up to benefits. So change the page layout so that only this text is displayed in two columns of equal width with a 2 centimeter space between them. Okay, so we are going to go to layout. Okay, I'm going to close this. Go to layout and then the drop down or under column, click on more column. Okay, so choose 2 and then the spacing should be 2 centimeter and then okay. Okay, that is done. Okay, create and store the following style, basing it on the default or normal paragraph style. Okay, so we are going to create a new style called V subheading. Okay, V subheading. The font style is serif and the font size is 16. Okay. Okay, I'll always advise when you want to create a new style, take your cursor away from the text so that you don't mistakenly apply the style you're creating to a portion of the document. Okay, so go to home and then you can just right click and then you can just click on this, click on this and then click on this first one, this first square, new style. Okay, and then paste the style name. Okay, so we are basing it on normal. Okay, normal. The font size is 16 and the font style is serif. Okay, so serif is Times New Roman. Okay, then we have alignment center, then bold italic. The alignment is center. Okay, then it's bold, it's italic. Okay, so the line spacing single, space before 0, space after 8. Okay, the line spacing, so click on format, paragraph. So the line spacing is single, the spacing before 0, and then the spacing after is 8. Okay, just click OK. Okay, so we can see that the style has been the style, if you can see the style here, okay, that means you have done the right thing. Okay, so take a screenshot to show that you have defined the settings for VC subheading style. Make sure that there is evidence that you have based this on the default or normal paragraph style. Place this in your evidence document. Okay, so they want to see that this is based on normal paragraph style. Okay, so we are going to take a screenshot. Okay, take a screenshot and then okay. Then we are going to place the evidence in our evidence document. Okay, step 4. Okay, that's done. Okay, we can see that the style has been created. Okay, identify the 4 subheadings in the document and apply the VC subhead style to each one. Okay, so there are 4 subheadings. So we need to identify them and apply the styles that we have created. So let's identify them. So this is one. You select and then click on Control, then double click on Equipment. Okay, release your hand from the Control key and then go again, press Control, double click, release your hand if you want to scroll. Okay, release your finger from the Control key if you want to scroll down. Okay, so we have one more, okay, which is this. Okay, then press Control again and then select, and then you can just double click and the styles will be applied. Okay, locate and move the paragraph. Cycling is an excellent up to a mass participation event so that it appears as a new paragraph immediately after the subheading benefits. Okay, so I'm going to search for this. Okay, up till a mass participation event. I'm going to make use of find. Okay, so this is it. I'm going to copy. I'm just going to cut. Okay, and then we need to paste this after the title benefits. Okay, so as a new paragraph, I'm just going to paste here. Okay, that's it. Import the image J2322 cyclist and place it in the paragraph beginning cheating has become. Okay, I'm going to find this text. Okay, I'm going to make use of find. Okay, so I'm going to place my cursor here and then insert picture, okay, from your folder. Okay, the picture cyclist, insert. Okay, that has been done. Okay, rotate the image 180 degrees. We're going to rotate the image 180 degrees. So make sure your image is selected and then click on rotate and then, okay, rotate 180 degree. You can just rotate right 90 degree and then rotate right 90 degree. Okay, that's it. Okay, format the image so that it is resized to a width of 4 centimeter with aspect ratio maintained. Okay, a width of 4 centimeter. Click on your image and then this is the width. Okay, so make this 4 centimeter. Okay, that's correct. It is aligned to the right of the column and top of the paragraph starting cheating has become an, okay. The text wrap wraps around the image. Okay, so it's stated here that it should be at the right of the colon. Okay, it should be at the right of the colon, and then it should be text wrapped around the image. Okay, so first of all, let us wrap it. Okay, tight. Okay, so it needs to be at the right. Okay, at the right side. Okay, ensure that it's aligning. Okay, that's done. Okay, locate the table in the document. Format the first row of the table so that it looks like this. Okay, format the first row so that it looks like this. Okay, the table. Okay, so let's see what changes needs to be done. Okay, I think it's just the background. Okay, the background color. So place your cursor in, and then, okay, the background color is gray. Okay, let's see if the gray is really dark. Okay, it's a light gray. So, okay, that's it. Sort the data in the table from Asia Pacific to rest of the world into descending order of download growth. Okay, so we are going to select the data and then click on sort. Okay, so we're sorting by the third colon. Okay, so colon 3, and it's descending. So, okay. Okay. Oh, excuse me. Okay, let's see. Okay, sort by colon 3. Okay, good. Okay, so that's done. Insert a new row as the last row in the table and enter the following details. Okay, so we have Americas 7%, 19%. Okay, so place your cursor here and then tab. Okay, so Americas 7% and then 19%. Okay, 19%. Okay, that's done. Apply the VC table style to rows 2 to 8 only. Okay, row 2 to 8 only. This is row 2. Sorry, row 2. This is row 2 to 8. Okay, click on the style. So, okay, the style has been added. Sorry, it has been applied. Okay, apply the rows 1 to 8, a 3 to 4 point black external border with no internal grid lines. Okay, apply to rows 1 to 8, a 3 to 4 point external border, okay, with no internal grid lines displayed. Okay, so row 2 to 8, that's row 1 to 8. Okay, I guess, yeah, row 1 to 8. So from here up to here. So the border lines, okay, border and shading. So we just want external border lines. Okay, so I'm going to choose box. Okay, the thickness should be 3 to 4. Okay, so I'm just going to choose 3 and then apply. Okay, that's it. Um, okay. Make sure that all the text of each row displays on one line. Okay, all the text of each row displays on one line. Okay, I'm going to Ctrl Z first. so that we ensure that all the text of each row displays on one line. Okay, excuse me. So to make the text of each row display on one line, I need to adjust. Okay. Okay, I'm still going to go back to changing the border lines. Okay, so the table borders and all the data fit within the column width, and there is 8-point space after the table. Okay, so I'm going to go back to do this task. Okay, so select the table and then click on borders and shading, choose box, and then make it 3 point. Okay, okay, that's done. So there is an 8-point space after the table. Okay, 8-point space after the table. Just place your cursor here. Okay, at the beginning of this paragraph, right click, paragraph, and then before 8 points. Okay, so you have the 8-point spacing. Okay, spell check and proofread the document. Make sure that the table is not split over 2 columns or pages. There are no windows or orphans. There are no blank pages. The original styles are maintained. All the styles are applied consistently, and the spacing is consistent between all items. Save the document using the file name and format used in step 1. Okay, so let's check our document. Okay, I believe everything is fine. Okay, and we only have 2 pages, which I believe is correct. Okay, so we are going to spell check. Okay, click on review and then spelling and grammar. Spelling and grammar check is complete. Okay, so we don't have any spelling errors. And that's it for this question paper. Okay, so that's all, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and do not forget to subscribe. And you can also go through my channel for other past year papers videos. Thank you.